Hi, I'm Biff Maier. I'm a teacher and administrator at Lexington Montessori School, and I co-direct METSI, the Montessori Elementary Teacher Training Collaborative. They're both in Lexington, Massachusetts. I can't wait to be in Nashville for the Montessori event. It's been a long time since we've been together, and I'm excited about presenting my workshop, Recalling Interdependency. My goal is to demystify the meaning of Mario Montessori's iconic chart of interdependency, as I also identify the challenges that face our planet's web of life. If you attend this workshop, you will learn to use the chart as a key organizing graphic for cosmic education, a tool that you can use immediately in your classroom. You'll also be guided in how to make yourself and your students activists for a sustainable planet. I hope to see you at the Montessori event.